Our galaxy is moving through the darkness of space at over 2 million kilometers per hour. We are not drifting, we are being pulled toward a mysterious destination. Deep within the heart of our own galaxy lies a barrier that for decades kept us in the dark. Astronomers call it the zone of avoidance, a thick, opaque band of stars, gas, and interstellar dust that snakes through our skies. It is as if our own cosmic home acts like a heavy curtain, obscuring the vast gravitational secrets hidden behind the galactic plane. For decades, our view of the heavens was blinded. A thick shroud of galactic dust and gas, what we call the zone of avoidance, obscured the heart of the Great Attractor. But we have learned to peer through the dust. Using advanced radio telescopes and infrared cameras, we can finally look behind that curtain. Infrared light pierces through the dense clouds, revealing the vast, smooth distribution of stars that were previously hidden from our sight. We are no longer blind to the truth. We are beginning to see the immense cosmic architecture that lies beyond the dust. We have discovered that we reside within Laniakea, a massive supercluster of galaxies that stretches across 500 million light-years. The Great Attractor sits at the gravitational center of this structure, a cosmic valley where all surrounding matter flows. It is here, in this immense structural web, that the movement of our universe is defined. Think of the universe like a grand, unfolding landscape. Just as water flows down a mountain into a river, our entire region of space flows toward a singular destination. The Great Attractor acts as the lowest point in our local cosmic landscape, a gravitational basin collecting everything in its reach. Everything we see, galaxies, stars, and dark matter, is sliding down the cosmic slope, drawn by the irresistible pull of this massive center. The universe is vast, and on the largest scale, it is constantly expanding. Galaxies are drifting away from one another as space itself stretches out. However, we observe something strange. Some galaxies don't just follow this expansion, they drift in a specific direction, deviating from the flow. We call this peculiar velocity. This peculiar motion acts as our cosmic fingerprint. It is direct evidence that a hidden, massive structure is exerting a gravitational tug, pulling us through the dark. By measuring this velocity, astronomers can trace the movement back to its source, revealing the unseen titans of our universe. The mass of this region is staggering. It is roughly 10 quadrillion times the mass of our Sun. 10 quadrillion. We are peering into the invisible scaffolding of the universe. Dark matter acts as the silent architect, providing the hidden mass required to shape our cosmic home. Without dark matter, the Great Attractor would not have the strength to pull in thousands of galaxies. Its gravity is the engine behind this massive concentration of cosmic structures. What we see, the glowing stars and spiral galaxies, is merely the tip of the iceberg. The majority of the mass within the Great Attractor is locked away in invisible dark matter halos. For decades, astronomers saw the Great Attractor as a baffling anomaly, a singular point in space that defied simple explanation. However, our perspective has fundamentally shifted. We no longer see it as a lone mystery, but as a core node within the vast cosmic web. By mapping the gravitational flow, we now recognize it as a fundamental feature of our local cosmic geography. It is the landscape we inhabit. The Great Attractor has long been considered the ultimate destination for our cosmic neighborhood. But as we map the deeper reaches of space, a new truth emerges. We are finding that this gravitational basin is not a final resting place. It is merely the tip of the iceberg, a single node in a vast, interconnected web of dark matter and gravity. The entire local sector is sliding along these golden filaments toward even greater structures, like the distant Shapley supercluster. We are witnessing a cosmic dance on a scale we are only just beginning to comprehend. We have reached a turning point in our understanding of the cosmos. For decades, we searched the shadows for a singular, monstrous object that could explain the movement of the universe. But the reality is far more elegant. We have stopped looking for monsters and started looking at the massive, beautiful architecture of the cosmos. The Great Attractor is not a beast, but a foundational basin, an anchor for our entire celestial neighborhood. We are currently limited by the thick curtains of dust in our galaxy, but the future of cosmic cartography is shifting. Next generation space telescopes, like the extensions of the James Webb, are peeling back the layers of the infrared spectrum. With these tools, we will soon map the motion of galaxies far beyond the Great Attractor. We are looking at the filaments of the cosmic web itself. By tracking these movements, we are finally painting a complete picture of our cosmic neighborhood and our true place within it. We are travelers on a galactic scale, drifting through a structured cosmic ocean. Our home, the Milky Way, is but a single grain of sand in a vast, interconnected landscape. Though our daily life feels anchored to a single point, we are caught in a grand celestial dance. We are sliding down the slopes of space-time, flowing inevitably toward our destination. Our journey is a quiet, endless flow through the dark, guided by the unseen architecture of the universe. Even with our most powerful telescopes and advanced models, the universe remains profoundly mysterious. Every answer we uncover reveals a dozen new questions. It is this inherent mystery that drives the human spirit. The unknown is not an obstacle, but the very fuel for our progress, pushing us to explore, to calculate, and to imagine. As we look out into the dark expanse, we are humbled by the scale of it all. The journey into the cosmos is far from over. In fact, our search for the truth has only just begun. We are all falling toward a grand destination, a journey that began billions of years ago and continues even as you watch this. The universe is vast, and there is always more to discover. If you've enjoyed this journey into the dark, subscribe to our channel to continue exploring the wonders of the deep sky. Until next time, keep looking up.